I was trying to show the video on how to replace your handle. This is a stock one, obviously. These two usually break off, so I usually just pop them off anyways. So. Just pull it off like that. Don't lose your spring. You also got a spring here and a spring here, held by 2 rivets. I already went ahead and started drilling them out just to make a quicker video. Drill that one out. You're gonna need these are the 6mm I provide, so you'll need a tap for that. So 6mm by 1 tap, and then you could use a 832 for these two, and I'll show you how to do those. I'm gonna pop these out real quick. Sometimes they come out easy, sometimes they're a pain, but if it's broken, no big deal. They usually pop right out. Make sure you get the spring out of there. This one's acting out. Kind of drilled it crooked, so once you get the sweet spot, they come right out. And if it's broken, even easier to come out. And you take that spring out, pop this bad boy out of there. Like so. Now the rivets are out. I'll sand these flat, and then we could drill and tap these. We also gotta tap that one and that one. That's easy. Just easier to sand them so we could get a nice flat surface to drill onto. Nothing crazy. Especially a pilot hole works wonders. But even a center punch, kind of lazy to get one. Oh, Connor's thinking never hurt nobody. Go ahead and tap it. Sometimes the smaller the screw, the better, more meat you got in here. I mean, this one I got 440s on it. I mean, it's more than enough. These are 832s. And you just take your 6mm tap. You don't got to do nothing. The hole's the perfect size for it. I mean, you do need a tap. Now that we're all tapped, cleaned up, slide it in there. A little tricky sometimes, but they go right in. So then you just got to remember to put your springs back in. And you'll see the bolt just goes in nice and easy in there. Spring, bolt, and obviously you're going to tighten it, but it bottoms out and it doesn't tighten up on the actual handle, so you still got all the movement without binding it. You should do all this and then obviously take it out, get it painted, color match the car you want, and then put it back in and then you can put Loctite on those bad boys and definitely don't have to worry about anything of that coming out. And we take this back. It's your mechanism right here. If I remember how the hell it goes. There we go. Nope. Spring. Now you can take your new bolts. Obviously, you can put washers in there, make it a little easier. And then you just gotta play with the springs, get them all back the way they go. That one's on there. That one's back on. I guess I should have done this one before. Putting this bad boy back on. Put your washer in there, it won't come out. This is just a quick, so you can see everything you're gonna get into. Bam. And obviously, washer. You can put Loctite on that. And then, new handle. And that's it. Those are full function. Oops, sorry. Everything is good. I suck making videos, sorry about all the BS, but it's quick, easy, simple way to fix your handle without having to replace everything, and it's stronger now.